In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a permanent print area in Google Sheets. While Google Sheets doesn't natively support a permanent print area feature, I'll guide you through a workaround that ensures you can print your desired section every time with ease. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your Google spreadsheet. You can easily do this by navigating to the Google Sheets homepage where all your saved files are listed, or directly opening a spreadsheet via a shared link or from your Google Drive. Once you've got your spreadsheet open and you're ready to go, let's move on to highlighting the specific cells that you wish to print. Take a moment to identify the exact range of cells you'd like to focus on. For instance, if you want to print cells from B2 to G7, simply click and drag your cursor to highlight these cells. This visual step is crucial because it helps both you and the program recognize precisely what you intend to print. Now go up to the top of your Google Sheets screen and click on the File menu option. This drop-down menu will provide you with various actions related to file management, like opening new files, saving, and of course, printing. Once there, navigate to the Print option in the drop-down. By selecting this, you'll trigger the print settings for your document. In the Print Settings menu that appears, you'll see a choice labeled Selected Cells, B2, G7, or something similar, reflecting the specific range you highlighted earlier. Make sure you choose this option because it ensures that only the selected cells will be printed rather than the entire sheet, saving you ink, paper, and time. With the correct cells selected, all that's left to do is click Next to advance to the final printing screen. This is where you can choose additional preferences like the printer you wish to use, the number of copies, and any other specific settings your printer offers. Although Google Sheets doesn't allow you to lock a specific print area permanently, by following this method each time you open your spreadsheet, you ensure that you're printing exactly what you need without unnecessary sections. It's a handy trick that, once you've done it a couple of times, will take just a few moments to set up each time you need to print. Finally, hit the Print button and watch as your selected area is processed and printed. Utilizing this approach, you can efficiently manage your printed materials, ensuring clarity and precision without printing extra or unwanted content. We hope this practical workaround enhances your Google Sheets experience and look forward to bringing you